Hey, what's up, friends? Jesse here with the Lion Realty Group. I hope you guys are having a happy and safe 4th of July. Just want to say thank you for tuning into this week's newsletter. In today's video, I want to talk briefly about a few different things. Number one, how do taxes and insurance affect your monthly mortgage payment? Number two, a hidden little fee that you have in your monthly mortgage payments that many don't know about. And number three, what to expect with calculating your payments on property search websites. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'll get right to it. First things first, let's talk about how taxes and insurance affect your monthly mortgage payment. Many people think that knocking off $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 off of a purchase price because everybody is so price focused, which I understand, but $5,000, $10,000, or $15,000 price difference on purchasing a home, especially in the market this hot like we're in right now, where it's a seller's market and if a home is priced right, normally you have competition, highest offer wins, things of that sort, and that's what we're in right now. So many people try to fight for $5,000 or $10,000 off, and I try to tell them, okay, I understand you're trying to save money, but in this market, it's hard to do that if you are wanting to be losing out on several properties. So I explain to them what a small difference it makes, $5,000 or $10,000 or $15,000 it makes in a monthly mortgage payment. And everyone is surprised for the $15, $20, $25 difference that it makes on the monthly mortgage payment. Now, what I do pay a lot of attention to is how taxes and insurance have affected the monthly mortgage payment. Because you could have a house in one area where the taxes are $3,500, and then you have another area where the taxes are $4,700. So that's a $1,200 difference in annual taxes. If you're escrowing your taxes and insurance, which if you're only putting 3.5% or 5% down, it's mandatory to do it, then at that point, that makes a payment difference of a minimum of $100 a month. So that's where the kicker's at. Same thing goes with insurance. If you're choosing between two properties, one is more prone to weather conditions or higher crime or whatever the case may be, or they might have just had a lot of claims in that area, which made the insurance prices go up. You never know. Then at that point, it makes a bigger difference on your monthly mortgage payment than it would be if you made a $5,000 difference on your purchase price. So be aware of that. Be aware of the taxes and insurance in the area that you're buying. Be aware of what, also the next thing is the private mortgage insurance. Be aware of what the difference that makes. Private mortgage insurance is an additional fee if you're financing more than 80% of the value of the home. So unless you're putting down 20% or more, you don't have to worry about it. But if you're putting less than 20% down, you have to pay a private mortgage insurance. Unless you're using a tool such as VA financing. They finance 100% without any private mortgage insurance. But if you're financing conventional or FHA, normally they're going to require for you to pay a monthly private mortgage insurance. And that is anywhere between $75 to $200. Don't quote me on it. That's what I've seen the range to be on an average. And that is every month. So if you're looking at calculating your payment on property search websites, you'll notice that on none of them that I've seen so far, and if you find one, send me which website it is so I know which one it is, but on the majority of them that I've looked at, they do not include PMI. The other thing is they estimate taxes and insurance to be lower than what they actually should be. So if you're like me and you're doing research before you actually go and talk to a real estate agent or a lender, and you're calculating payments and you finally like, okay, this is the price point where I think I feel happy, and then you go to a lender or a real estate agent and they tell you that the payment for that price point is higher, I understand. I don't want you to get aggravated. Just contact the real estate agent, contact me. We're here to be your resource. Not only when you're ready to go see houses, not only when you're ready to apply for financing, but to prepare you for home ownership. That's what we're supposed to be here for. So if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, call, text me, email me. I'm more than glad to answer any questions. I'm here to serve you. Whatever you guys need, just reach out. My phone number is 832-655-2366. My office number is 832-844-1234. 1233. And my email is jesse@lionrealtygroup.net. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope this content is helpful to you. It answers any questions or doubts that you may have. And if you have anything that you may want me to address on these videos, shoot me an email. I'll be more than glad to answer those questions via video on the next time. So thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have a happy and safe 4th of July, and we'll see you next time. Take care and God bless.